Are you looking to elevate your event with exquisite table and chair rentals in New Hampshire? Welcome to Tribella Tent and Event, where your dream events come to life amidst the breathtaking landscapes of New Hampshire. Whether you're planning an intimate garden party or a grand ballroom gala, we have a diverse range of meticulously curated rentals to suit any occasion. At Tribella Tent and Event, we understand that every detail matters. That's why we offer a wide selection of high-quality tables and chairs to match the theme and elegance of your event. From classic wooden chairs to modern banquet tables, our inventory is designed to meet your unique needs and preferences. With Tribella Tent and Event, you're not just renting tables and chairs but securing peace of mind. Your event deserves the perfect backdrop. With Tribella Tent and Event's table and chair rentals, create an ambience that reflects the importance of your special occasions. Our reliable delivery and professional setup ensure that your event space is ready to impress your guests without any hassle. Ready to browse our extensive collection of table and chair rentals? Visit us at www.tribellatent.com, category tables and chairs, or call us at 603-892-4002 to start planning today. Contact us today to reserve your tables and chairs, and let us help you create memories that last a lifetime. Tribella Tent and Event, where your events become unforgettable stories.